Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing, review, swatches and so on of the Born Pretty and Kunkat nail stamping kit. So this kit contains 4 stamping plates, a stamper and a scraper. There aren't any polishes in here, but that's okay because I actually have another little order on its way with 4 nice nail polishes that I think might be suitable for stamping as well, which are from the same collaboration between Born Pretty Store and Kunkat. So yeah, first of all, this packaging is just too cute. It's to die for. I love it. I am such a crazy cat lady that when I saw this like collaboration or collection, I was like, I have to have this in my own collection, and I'm not disappointed at all. Now I'm recording this voiceover. I actually tried out this kit myself last night and I'm just so excited for it. The packaging is cute. I really love the fact that there is a stamper and a scraper in here that totally matches the entire vibe, and it's just cute. If you are a cat lady or cat dude yourself, maybe a furry cat dad or something like that, I'm sure that you will love this. And especially if you are a nail art collector, enthusiast, like hoarder, I'd say, definitely check out this collection. There are more specific items from this collaboration as well. So if you're not into stamping and more into like nail stickers when it comes to nail art or even gel polishes, I do know that there are different kinds of kits out there. But here I'm just unboxing the whole little kit. So this is actually the scraper. I didn't really like that one because it was a little bit too flexible to my liking, but it looks really cute. And if you haven't gotten any items to actually do some stamped nail art with, this is a really nice kit to start out with. And some people like different scrapers. I like mine to be a little bit more like sturdy, a little bit like credit card like, but if you just are starting out and want to try out something, this is a nice kit to start with. But here you can see there are 4 plates in total in here, the little stamper and the scraper, and I just can't wait to actually show what these all look like. But first of all, if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell as well, if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video. But of course I am going to use my one and only favorite black stamping polish. This one is by Born Pretty Store as well. It is like the older packaging, but I know that you can still get their like perfect black stamping polish, but in a different shaped bottle. But let's just continue with this first plate. Of course there is like that blue little film on top. Make sure to remove that before you go on with all of your scraping action. Of course you can just use a tool for this, but usually just kind of rubbing my finger next to one of the corners of the plate actually make sure it's already loose enough to just peel it off. And of course you can just throw that out. You don't have to like put it back on if you're done stamping or anything like that. Just get rid of that. It's just a little protection film or like layer for the plate before you use it. And for this first plate I actually decided to use the scraper and stamper that was in the kit. It looks really cute, like the whole aesthetic of it is just adorable and definitely really nice to have in your collection if you are like me, quite a nail and nail art enthusiast, collector, hoarder. It's just really cute to have like out on display on your work desk or anything like that. The only downside I had to this stamper is that it isn't see-through, and ever since I started using my see-through stampers I've been hooked and I just don't want to use the not transparent ones anymore. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, the scraper was a little bit too flexible to my liking, so I just really like a little bit of like a thicker, more sturdy scraper. That is from Born Pretty Store as well. And I'm just going to continue the swatches with that one because I just feel like it gives a more like clear view to all of the images, and I'm able to stamp them on my little booklet paper a lot more straight as well. As you can see, like the first couple of images that I stamped on here are like crooked AF. And that was just because I wasn't able to see how I was placing the stamper on the paper. But yeah, of course, if you are done with your image plate or your stamping plate, however you want to call it, make sure to remove all of the excess polish with a little bit of nail polish remover, or pure acetone works well too. So yeah, there are a lot more images on this first plate, but to not make this video like an hour long, I'm just going to skip a couple of images on those plates and just continue with the second plate. Of course, there's a little overview before I start stamping each and every plate from this little collection, so you can definitely see what images are on here as well if I don't stamp all of them. But I really love these plates. They're just so adorable. I have to be honest, before I saw this collaboration collection, I've never heard of Kunkat before. I don't know if it's something specifically like Korean or something like that, because I haven't seen it before, even though I've been to Japan for like over a week last year, and there were like tons of characters and just shows and stuff like that that I already knew, but I haven't seen this. So I'm not quite sure if it is something that is from Japan, maybe it's from Korea or something like that. I haven't really done much research about this specific character or like this line, I have to say. But I do think it looks really cute. And then again, I am a crazy cat lady. I have 2 furry babies myself, and it's just really adorable. And the only thing I did wanted to mention is that even though the stamper wasn't my cup of tea, as far as it not being transparent and see-through, I really did like the squishiness of the stamper itself and how sticky it was. And it's really easy to just remove any excess polish or like pieces of the stamped image on the stamper with just a piece of tape. This can be just a random household tape you use to like wrap gifts with and stuff like that. It doesn't have to be Scotch tape or anything like that, so just a regular tape goes very well for that. So I really did like the stamper as far as the stamping part. The only downside was that it wasn't see-through. So yeah, it's really cute, but it wasn't as handy for me personally. But let's continue with the third plate already. There are so many cute images on this one as well. Like, I just can't get over it. There are some bigger images on this too. So if you do have longer nails, like I actually have on my left hand right here, like apart from the thumb, because we all know that I had a tear in it and I would rather just shorten it, cut it down and not hurt myself than to just leave it there and get like one big bloody mess if I would actually really break it in like the living fleshy part of the nail bed. But yeah, I really do like the fact that there are bigger plates or images on this plate. I think they're really cute, and the images are like the engraved part is deep enough for the polish to actually settle and get picked up easily. Like some plates, they look good on the outside, but when you use them, they actually don't work that well. The polish won't settle into the little grooves and stuff like that, but I didn't have any issues with these plates. I have to mention, I rarely have like any issues with the plates by Born Pretty Store, whether it are the plates from Born Pretty Store line itself or Nicole Diary or something like that. All of the plates that Born Pretty Store sells are actually really good. And of course I do have a discount code of 20%, which is FEM20. I always leave it in the pinned comment down below as well as the description box. You can just use that multiple times if you want to. It's not like you can't use it after you've used it once with your Born Pretty Store account. So yeah, go ahead and use that if you want to get this set yourself. Some little extra information about this kit. Of course, I mentioned it already. It has 4 plates, which the 4th plate I'm showing you right here. It doesn't contain any stamping polishes or anything like that, but I'm sure that if you are like me and a big nail art enthusiast, you already have some regular nail polishes that work well to stamp with, or you already have a collection of stamping polishes. So yeah, that's that. This kit of course contains the 4 plates. It does contain the scraper and the stamper, but yeah, if you're not really into that, I do think that you can get these plates separately as well, but then again, you don't have the little like limited edition collector's box with it. This kit is $18.99 in dollars, so it is quite affordable, and of course you can save some extra money with my discount code, and they do have like sales going on every now and then at bornprettystore.com as well, so keep an eye out for that if you want to get it with a little bit more discount. But yeah, these images are just really cute. Here you can see like a little overview of all of the images that I actually picked up with a black stamping polish. I really love them. They're very detailed. I don't feel like I've lost that much when it comes to the grooves and just how it picks up. I do really love all of the details in here. They're really detailed. Like, I don't think I have a plate with so many like fine details like dots and lines and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm pretty much excited about this collection, and I can't wait to actually try out the polishes that are in a different kit from this whole collaboration. But let me know what you think about the plates. Is it something that you would buy yourself? Maybe you already have this kit yourself. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And as usual, I just want to thank you so much for hanging out with me and helping me reach my 25k subscribers. And as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.